Hello, and thank you for joining me today for peanut butter jelly time. See, we placed the bread here. Oh, I forgot a knife. Here we go. Okay, first place the bread, then you get your peanut butter. Oh yeah, get that peanut butter. And then you spread. Gotta make sure it's just perfect. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Then you get all the peanut butter off the knife, because I don't want to have to wash two knives. I only use one. And so, just get it off real good so you don't get any of the peanut butter in the jelly case, because that'd be pretty gross. This jelly's kind of gross, but it's the only stuff I got. Oh yeah. Spread the jelly.
Finally!
Hush! I'm making a video. Shh! I took too much. Don't tell anyone.
Where's Mom?
Shh! I'm making a video. Leave me alone.
Where's Mom?
Finally, finished. Well, almost. See, I don't like the crust, so I'm gonna take the crust off. Oh yeah. Finished.